Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display start date and end date of the cell order form using this Dev repair start and time via repair module. You can see here our module Dev repair start and time. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to repairs, go to any orders, click on this confirm and see here this start repair button. Here not display any time, but I want to display here, so click on the start repair. So see here start date is display with a time. Now click on end repair button. So you can easily see here I click end repair, so easily here display end date. Thank you.